Hey guys, it's Miss Catherine with the Central Arkansas Library System from the main library. I'm here to talk to you guys about how to check out an ebook on our website. So let's get started. So the way that you will do that is you'll visit our website at cals.org. That's CALS.org. Once you're there, this is what you will see. So when you're there, you'll want to go to the top of the page and hover over the Discover tab. Once you've done that, over on the left-hand side, you will see Download an ebook. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened that page, on the right-hand side, you'll see cals.overdrive.com. You can click on that or type it into your browser. I'm going to just click on it. Once you are there, this is the CALS Overdrive page. So you can see it has all kinds of awesome stuff, all the books, but before we can check anything out, we need to sign in. So that is over on the right-hand side of the page. You can see Sign In. You'll click on that. Here it is going to ask you for your library card number and your PIN number. Now, if you don't know your library card number, maybe you lost your physical card, that's okay. You can call the library and we'll be happy to get that information to you. If you don't know your PIN number or you need to reset your PIN number, that's totally fine as well. We can help you with that. If you do have your library card, but there seems to be a problem because it won't accept your credentials, that's okay as well. Go ahead and give us a call. It might be that your library card has expired, which happens once a year. So that's a really easy fix. We can get it fixed for you in just one quick phone call. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in my library card number. My computer remembers me. Okay. So once you've signed in, it's going to reopen that page. So now you're back at the CALS Overdrive page. I wanted to bring your attention over to the left-hand side. We do have the Subjects tab, the Collection tab, the Kindle books, and the Kids. I particularly like the Collections tab because this does open ebook options and audiobook options. And now I'll go over audiobooks in another video. But right now we're just talking about ebooks, and I like this because although it is difficult, I know, to get into the library right now, a lot of people aren't going out as much as we used to, but this is a great way for you to browse without actually being at the library. You know, that's one of my favorite things to do when I'm looking for a book, is just to kind of browse and see what kind of catches my attention. And this is a great way to do that. You can see that they have available now. They have multicultural fiction, new kids editions, new teen editions, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to go check out new teen editions. Clicked on that. And here are some great ebooks that are new teen editions. So you can click on any of these. I'm going to look for something catches my attention. Let's see. What about Geese Are Never Swans by Kobe Bryant? That's awesome. So if you want to check out a title, the way that you'll do that is that you will click on Borrow. So it's going to tell you here that you're borrowing it for 14 days. This is customizable. You can decide that you only want it for 7 days, but I don't know why you would do that. But if you needed it only for 7 days, you could choose that. They want you to click Borrow one more time. And on this page, this little box is going to tell you that it was successful, that you did check out this book. It's going to tell you that it's checked out to you until this date. You can borrow this many more titles, and it does give you these options for how you want to read your title. So you can read with your Kindle, you can read on your phone or tablet. Yes, Overdrive does have an app that you can log into on your phone. I read things on my phone all the time. It's not so good for the eyes, but you know. You can also read in the browser, or you can download the book to your computer. I most often read in the browser, so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. I almost always read on my computer or on my phone. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. It looks exactly the same as it would like on paper, so you're not missing any of that extra stuff. If your book has a map, for example, that will still be there on the ebook thing, so you can see kind of what this looks like. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this box. And so now that we've checked out a book, how do we find it once we've kind of closed out of it? So you'll go back up to the top of the page here. And over on the right-hand side, right between my account and that little bell icon is another weird looking icon. It kind of looks like books leaning against each other. This is how you'll get to your loans. So you can think of this as kind of like your bookshelf. So you can see all of the books that you have checked out. You can see when they expire, when they're going to be automatically returned for you. That's another important thing to know about Overdrive, is that they do automatically return your books for you, so there's no risk of having any late fees or anything like that. You can choose to return it yourself if you get done early. You can return it there. It does still give you those options to read it in a different format. I also want to bring your attention over to the left-hand side of the page. You can see that you can see your loans. You can click on holds, wish list, rated titles, recommendations. You can also see your history of what you've read in the past. So that is a really great thing as well. So just to address quickly as we're wrapping up, books can be put on hold. Ebooks can be placed on hold just the same as in print books. So the library buys a certain number of titles, a number of copies of an ebook, and obviously just the same as print books, sometimes all of those copies are in use, so you will occasionally have to put an ebook on hold, but now you know that you can see where that is over in your loans, which are located again between the My Account button and that little bell. That is where that's located. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.